Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. The PSL 2026 award winners have been announced, and here are the winners. MTN 8, Last Man Standing, Tshepang Moremi from Orlando Pirates. Carling Knockout Player of the Tournament, Bekezeli Mbokazi from Orlando Pirates. Nedbank Cup, Most Promising Player of the Tournament, TS Galaxy's Saluleko Mahlambi. Nedbank Cup, Player of the Tournament, Durban City's goalkeeper Darren Kitty. DStv Diski Challenge Top Goal Scorer, Mamelodi Sundowns striker Bernard Mokoena. DStv Diski Challenge Player of the Season, Mamelodi Sundowns striker Bernard Mokoena also. Motsepe Foundation Championship Top Goal Scorer, Ntuthuko Mlotshwa from Lerumo United, and Hungry Lions Ronaldo van Niel. Motsepe Foundation Championship Young Player of the Season, Cape Town City youngster Gabriel Amado. Motsepe Foundation Championship Goalkeeper of the Tournament, Cape Town City goalkeeper Mickey van der Hart. Motsepe Foundation Championship Players Player of the Season, Emil Witbooi from Cape Town City FC. PSL Assistant Referee of the Year, Nandipha Menze. PSL Referee of the Year, Eugene Ndluli. Betway Premiership Goalkeeper of the Season, Orlando Pirates #1 Sipho Chain. Betway Premiership Defender of the Season, Orlando Pirates centre-back Libone Siema. Betway Premiership Midfielder of the Season, Ozwin Apolis, Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season, Relebohile Mofokeng with Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Goal of the Season, Cameron Danson Stana, which he scored against Mamelodi Sundowns for Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Top Goal Scorer, Junior Dion, Golden Arrows. Betway Premiership Coach of the Season, Orlando Pirates mentor Abdeslam Owadu. Betway Premiership Players Player of the Season, Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates. PSL Chairman's Award, awarded to Jayden Adams from Mamelodi Sundowns. And the big one, the one we've been waiting for, PSL Footballer of the Season, Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates. Relebohile Mofokeng has won 3 awards during the PSL 2026 awards. And it's no surprise that he dominated these awards with the Footballer of the Season, Players Player of the Season, and Young Player of the Season. He has won the Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season 3 years running. It shows the amazing consistency that the young player has shown. That is why he managed to get a move to Belgian side Royal Union Saint-Gilloise. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Relebohile Mofokeng winning 3 awards? Do you think that he deserved them? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And overall, Orlando Pirates dominated when it comes to award, making a clean sweep of the Betway Premiership Award. And it's no surprise given that they are the 2025-26 Betway Premiership champions. The goalkeeper, defender, midfielder, as well as the coach, players player, young player, and football of the season all comes from Orlando Pirates. They have absolutely dominated this award. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of the 2026 PSL awards? Are you happy with them, and do you think that the rightful winners won the awards? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.